A few moments later.
Result and discussion. After analyzing some qualification, journal as the data of this research. The researcher found some results as follows. First, Mugiono et al. Found there was significant comparison between linguistic intelligence and the student academic achievement. It was proved by the result of the correlation. Confidence was 0.662, which means there was a quite strong relation between student linguistic intelligence and academic achievement. The participant of this study was English Education Department student. It also found that linguistic intelligence gives strong effect on the student. English skill including reading comprehension. It can be seen from that the linguistic intelligence gives 44% effect on the academic achievement. Moreover, the research also found the emotional intelligence showed and weak effect on the student achievement rather than linguistic intelligence. It can be said the linguistic intelligence gave significant contributions towards student achievement in English include reading comprehension. Actually, many students also indicate the same result of this study. Significantly, in reading comprehension. In other words, the student linguistic intelligence more give contribution toward student academic achievement and emotional intelligence. Second, Rahimi et al. Reported that linguistic intelligence became a strong predictor of student reading comprehension. Then, the participant of this study was 19 Iranian students who to English major. Participatively speaking is also not the linguistic intelligence was related with the student cognition, which was involved in their successful in reading comprehension. It also found that linguistic intelligence predicted the student reading performance because intelligence and cognition, which was involved in their successful in reading comprehension. It also found that linguistic intelligence predicted the student reading performance because intelligence and cognition are part of comprehension. It means that linguistic intelligence is very essential in linguistic learning because it is involved in reading activity. As it was discussed above, it is important for the teacher to make the classroom activity that is more involved the student linguistic intelligence so that they can improve their ability is using language. Dear, the student that was conditioned by Dewi, it showed that linguistic intelligence gave positive influence on student reading comprehension. Besides, the participant of this study was 283 Indonesian students at Madrasah Pembangunan, Jakarta from this study. It claimed the student who had good linguistic intelligence tended to had a good reading comprehension because English language variable of linguistic intelligence give contribution in improving the student reading comprehension ability. It was related with the previous study that linguistic intelligence become one of the factors that can predict the student successful in learning a language because it involved the student cognitive process. In addition, it also found some indicator of student linguistic intelligence in reading activity. First, the student love to read. Second, the student often spoke what they have read. Third, they were good at spelling pattern. Next, they like playing word games and poems. Then, the student can keep their book collection. Also, they can remember general knowledge, quotes and words easily. Next, they can explain and interpreting what they have read easily. Last, the student had good knowledge about language use. Based on those indicators, it can be said that the students who have dominant linguistic intelligence have the tendency to have good reading comprehension. In other words, by having a good linguistic intelligence, it raise the student ability in reading because they understand what they have read easily participation. Speaking, the student and teacher should be aware about linguistic intelligence. Thus, they can change their learning habit and learning style that is appropriate with their intelligence so that their linguistic intelligence can be improved. Therefore, the teacher can create new idea in the teaching learning process and causing the appropriate teaching material that fit with the student linguistic intelligence. 4. Dewi and Wilani attempted that there was a significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension. It was so from the recon was 0.8, which means that linguistic intelligence give positive influence toward reading comprehension. Moreover, the result also explained to the student linguistic intelligence can be seen through some following indicators. First, a student can write a story or essay about their daily experience, express their idea clearly. There, the student had rich vocabulary. For the student enjoy in reading many kind of the text such as book, newspaper, magazine, act, fifth, and the student can spell the word in forex language easily. 6. They like listening to a story. 7. They can do it storytelling. It can be inferred that the student linguistic intelligence can be seen by their interest in using a language besides its learning process. It is crucial to use the strategy based on the student linguistic intelligence in order strategy based on the student linguistic intelligence in order to achieve good reading comprehension, because linguistic intelligence can be reflect the student successful in reading comprehension. Fifth, Aulia and Wardi found that where there was significant correlation between the student linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension, with the data show that 45.6% of the student reading comprehension was influenced by the student linguistic intelligence, which means linguistic intelligence have the contribution toward reading comprehension. Then, the participation of this study was 55 Indonesia students. It also mentioned that the student reading comprehension will be improved if their linguistic intelligence interested, as it was discussed above. The student reading comprehension can be improved if they develop their linguistic intelligence, because it can help them in using the language effectively. Thus, it is important for the student to develop their linguistic intelligence. Thus, they can change their learning habit and learning style that is important with their intelligence, so that their linguistic intelligence can be improved. Therefore, the teacher can create new ideas in teaching learning process and causing the appropriate teaching material that fit with the student linguistic intelligence. 4. Dewi and Wilani apparent that there was a significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension. It was shown from the recount was 0.68, which means that linguistic intelligence give positive influence toward reading comprehension. Moreover, the writer also explained that the student linguistic intelligence can be seen through some following indicators. First, a student can write a story and essay about their daily experience. Second, they can express their idea clearly. The student had rich vocabulary. 4. The student enjoy in reading many kind of the text such as a book, newspaper, magazine, and 5th, the student can spell the word in foreign language easily. 6. They like listening to a story. 7. They can do storytelling. It can be inferred that the student linguistic intelligence can be seen by their interest is using a language. Besides its learning process, it is crucial to use the appropriate strategy beside of the student linguistic intelligence in order to achieve good reading comprehension. Because linguistic intelligence can relate the student successful in reading comprehension. 5th, Aulia and Wardi found that there was significant correlation between the student linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension, with the data show that 45.6% of the student reading comprehension was influenced by the student linguistic intelligence, which means linguistic intelligence have contributed toward reading comprehension. Then, the participation of this study was 55 Indonesian students. It also mentioned the student reading comprehension will be improved if their linguistic intelligence increased, as is was discussed above. The student reading comprehension can be improved if they develop their linguistic intelligence because it can help them in using the language effectively. Thus, it is important for the student develop their linguistic intelligence by following some activity that relate with language learning. For example, by reading a lot, writing a story, and retell the story, also playing the word games. 6. Hasanuddin and Fitrianingsih found that the three were some indicator of linguistic intelligence of the student is reading subject. First, the student had excellent knowledge in mentioned words such as they can express the word in his mind just by reading the title of the books. Second, the student will enjoying wordplay. For example, in doing the Scrabble game, they can answer the question and write the word correctly. Third, they can explain the meaning of the word and they have read and discussed it. Fourth, most students were having difficulty in mathematics lesson. The prefer English social and history lesson than mathematics. Thus, the data showed they only answer the mathematics question randomly because it was difficult for them. They also prefer reading to short story. Fifth, in doing the conversation, they use some word that relate something they have read and heard before, such as the word that they had heard from their classmates and the word that they had read from articles. 6. The student had the ability in writing the property beside on their personal experience, in line with the finding about an indicator of linguistic intelligence can be seen through the student characteristic in learning process. The word is can be inferred that the student will have good linguistic intelligence, then to have creative thinking because they can write poem and read and fond of their classmates. In contrast, based on Erlina et al., it was found there was a minimum number of students who had dominant linguistic intelligence on their study. Besides, the participation of this study was 28 Indonesian undergraduate students. Also, the writer mentioned the aim of this study was not for generalization, but the result of this study was so by phenomena in learning a language. The result show some aspect of the student linguistic intelligence. First, rhetoric and is the ability in using the language effectively to persuade others. However, the result showed the only 3 of the 28 students who used the language effectively to persuade others. For instance, some students had lack of linguistic factor in persuading others and delivering their idea in spoken and written form. Second aspect is mnemonic. That is the ability in memorizing in the information. It was found only 2 and 28 students who can remember and relate the information or the story of the text that they have read. Third aspect is explanation. That is the ability in delivering the information orally and written. It was found that the students still face difficulties in using the descriptive and figurative language in order to deliver their idea. Also, only on the student who use is well we see wrote a poem. Fourth aspect is metalinguistic. That is the ability in learning language itself. It showed that in reading class, the students were active participation in asking the question about the word that they did not familiar from the result. It can be said that in reading activity, the students still hard. The curiosity in learning a language, even though they still face difficulties in delivering their thought in spoken and written form. Last, Reza and Tabrizi found that linguistic intelligence was the most significant predictor of the student reading comparison among the multiple intelligence type. It also found that the student with enhanced linguistic intelligence were able to use the linguistic effectively, that they were typically good at reading, playing word game, memorizing word, storytelling, and making party. In line with their feeding Hashemi also attempted the linguistic intelligence made the strongest contribution in prediction the student reading comparison it words other word. The students should not know this type of intelligence because it influences their reading comparison. In fact, the students still not aware about their linguistic intelligence. However, it is crucial for the teacher to give the chance for the student to develop their linguistic intelligence in classroom. For instance, by creating a learning strategy that relates with playing word game and storytelling that influences the student ability in using a language. It also supported by the gender and Arnold and Fonseca, who states that is important to know and develop the individual different type of the intelligence, including linguistic intelligence, because all of the individuals different to age older, that they have the combination of intelligence. Therefore, based on the result of this research, it found that student linguistic intelligence gave significant contribution toward reading comprehension. Hence, the students should give more attention toward their linguistic intelligence because it helps them to improve their ability in reading. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.